Babalik tayo dito sa Kababayan Today. Kasama pa rin natin si Isabel Rivas, not just an actress, not just a farmer, but really a woman of depth and substance.
Oh my gosh.
Isabel, thank you so much for sharing your story here on Kababayan Today. Pag-usapan naman natin, I know you have a farm, but you are an advocate for women and for the issues that they go through. Pag-usapan natin kung bakit ito yung napili mong advocacy.
Ang advocacy ko talaga is teenage, unwed, pregnant girls. You know, when they're in their teenage and then they get pregnant.
At maraming nangyayaring ganyan sa Pilipinas palagi, no?
Saan sila pupunta? Kasi it happened to me eh. I was a teenager nung nabuntis ako and I didn't know where to go kasi kamali ka eh. You didn't know what it was all about. But praise God, hindi ako inabandon ng family ko. But there are other kids, girls at their very young age na they don't know what to do. So they're in the streets, nagda-drugs, and then they go into prostitution. And then I want to be able to capture that time na buntis sila, they're pregnant, and they're teenagers, they don't know what to do. And then I can show them that, hey, this happened to me. You know, I was also a teenager. I was once like you, but, you know, I dreamt, I prayed, I worked. And this is what you can do. This is what you can achieve. You can also be a farmer, you can be a teacher, you can be, you know, mangarap, to dream, and that they won't abandon the baby, even if they think at the end of their term they cannot take care of the baby, then we go to another agency to have the baby adopted. Then, lesser yung sin nung nanay, lesser yung trauma, hindi ka nag-abort. So you took care of the child, and I'm sure the Lord is going to bless you for that.
Oh, okay.
So I want to be able to house them in the farm, somehow take care of them while they're pregnant.
That's such a great mission and an advocacy, helping other, not just women, but, you know, teenagers that are going through a difficult time in their life. Isabel, thank you so much for coming to Kababayan today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your story.
My gosh, I watch you all the time and I'm so proud. You know, when I see you, I'm your #1 fan.
Ay, salamat po!
Kasi seeing you before, nagkasama tayo, you were so young, and then now we're here, we're in America. Sabi ko nga, oh my gosh, Hollywood na ba ito?
Well, thank you, Isabel, for sharing your story. You are always welcome here on Kababayan Today.
Anytime you need me, I will come.
All right.
Thank you, Kababayan.
Thank you very much for watching our show with Isabel Rivas. We'll see you all again next time. Maraming salamat po.